welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. Hey! Let's keep the family growing. That was so cute. High five. High five. Oh no. So your girl just got a fresh perm, self-done, and I was like, well, let me post this video though, you know? So I talked to you guys about having my little, like a credenza. So I built it, but first, me and Little Fox are going to go skating. It's his first time, and I'm so excited, and he's so excited. That's why he's jumping off the wall right now. So we're gonna go skating. This is a blah, 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 blah vlog. Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Why are you riding a bike inside my house? Do you want to go skating? Okay.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
Good job.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad.
No, you gotta stand up, stand up, stand up.
Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine?
So I have this that I found for $2. And I have this old cube that used to be in my son's room in his nursery that I no longer need. So I'm thinking of mixing these two up and making my credenza that I need for this area, my dining room space. So let's see what I can turn these two things into. And no, just kidding, I still have to go. I have to go build it. Okay. Okay, so now I have 4 legs. Let's figure this out. So I want to do a cover, but I'm thinking just doing a door for like half of this so that these two will be open. I have to put a backing on here, I guess, but then I'll have a door with that just covers this part. So yeah, let's build that. I'm going to DIY a handle that I really want to show you guys. Like, I saw the idea and I thought it was so cool. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do for the handle. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, or maybe months ago, I don't remember, I asked you guys to vote on Instagram about a rug that will go perfectly under here. Talking to Rachel. And so I finally ordered it. The rug that won was this one. And I got it on Prime Day. It was on sale. It was super, super cheap. I'm talking about like 50 bucks. So I got it. And now I'm going to poof it right there. Oh wait, hold on. My magic didn't work. Hold on. I'm gonna poof it right there. Ugh. I guess it's not gonna work. So let's just put it there. All right, come on. Are you just gonna move around? Yeah? You wanna be on camera? Comment down below if you remember this piece that I made last Christmas and I love so much and I've kept. It's just so beautiful. I love it so much. So now it's gonna stay right here for Christmas. I haven't decorated for Christmas yet, but I'm going to be doing that very soon. I thought I would just wait till after Thanksgiving. So, but yeah, I love my little dining room. I still want to change out those chairs because I don't think these chairs are very comfortable. And your girl has a big old dump. So she needs more support in the posterior. So I'm going to be changing them out. I don't know when yet or what I'm going to get. Oh, but guess what? My bird of paradise is getting a new leaf and this one is unfurling. Okay, we'll just do what you do, bird of paradise. Just do what you do. Okay. All right, well, me and my son have a date. So I'm going to go ahead and close it out here. My son and I have a date and he's very anxious, running up and down, as you can tell. So we're going to go ahead and go. Love you. So we're going to go ahead and go to that. But thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, may your hair game be as strong as your coffee game. I love you, latte. Bye, boos. Welcome to my vlog. My hair is looking nice, so we're gonna do a vlog. Look at this length. Look at it now. My hair is Whoa.